In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and get your own Kraken referral code on the Kraken phone applications so you can get up to 100 euros per invite. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So if you open the phone application, you should see something like this on the homepage and you will find get 100 euros at the top right. So depending on when you are watching this video, there might be a referral offer or another one. So maybe it's not 100 and it's 50 or 200. So you just need to click here and you will see all the offers available right now. So this is the referral offer where we can click on see details, and then this is how much I made from my referrals. You can also click how it works so you can see more details, and right here you will find your invite code. You can also click invite friends to copy the link, but basically by using this invite code you can invite other people, and whenever they complete these simple steps, both of you will earn up to 100 euros. So as you can see, this is how much I made on the last week, and for example my last referral made more than 100 euros. So if you want to use my link, that will help me a lot, so I will leave the invite code and the invite link on the description below so we can both get money. So that's it. That's how you can find your referral code and the referral link on Kraken. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.